Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Harold HB274TV. So we got a quick video today. Hopefully it's quick. I got a couple of things here. As you can see, got some speakers, some rear speakers. Got an amp kit right here, an amp kit, and a second amp kit as well. Dual amp kit, wires, all that good old stuff that I need to hook up 2 amps, because one is gonna go for the sub, and I'm gonna redo this, clean that all up, because I took the wrap off, and the other's gonna go for the back speakers and the front speakers. The front speakers are 6x9s, the back are 6.5. But today it's all about this right here. I got a shark fin antenna to go on the back of the Pathfinder. So, and the 3M is coming off, but that's all good. Shark fin antenna, okay, for the back of this, of the Pathfinder. We're gonna put it right here. And as you can probably hear Abigail, we're gonna put it right there. So we gotta take this off, but we don't have to take the base off, okay? It covers it. So we're gonna do that today. Shouldn't take too long. You can make a template if you want, but you know I don't do things that way. I do things my way. So let's get started. All right, so let's take the antenna off. It's just a screw on, screw off. And all you gotta do is connect this to that. Okay, that's all you gotta do. And just to make sure, you have 2 sets of screws. So let me get this open. Hard to do with one hand. So I tested the fat boy, and it's a little too big. Too big. Yep, too big. So we're gonna put the little one on with the nut, and you just connect that part right there, and you'll be golden. So let me do that real quick, and I'll get back at you. Alright, so I got it hooked on, and I've already cleaned the area with alcohol. You always have to clean the area with alcohol when you're sticking glue, something, well, a sticky thing, and paint. You always got to clean it with some degreaser and alcohol. So this is already clean. Plus it got washed before I got here. So I just rubbed it down with some alcohol real good. And all you got to do is just take the wire and hide it a little bit better, and then slip this over it, and that's how it'll look. It's already on top without the glue. So I want to make sure that my FM stations and my Sirius FM is working. So let's head to the car. Let's head to the inside. Check it out. All right, so let's see. Yes, baby. I'm not going anywhere. Let's just make sure before I glue it on there.
PNDP. Yeah.
Yes, seriously, still working?
Because he deserved it.
And let's check this radio station. Radio station is working. So we're good to go. Everything works. Perfect. All right, so let's turn the car off. Abigail, come on, baby. I told you I'm not going anywhere. Look at her. Just get down. Get down. Come on. I'm not going anywhere. Get down. She has to have her Minnie Mouse outfit on. It's too short now, but hey, it's all good. So now all we gotta do is take the 3M tape off the bottom and make sure it's nice and straight. I think it's pretty straight. Let's see if this helps me. Yeah. Not straight. All right, let me get it straight. I gotta use both hands, and I'll come back at you, show you the final results. All right, guys, it's on. I had to press down hard for about 30 seconds. You want to do that with 3M tape because that's what it was. It is on, and it is good to go. Let's see how it looks from the top. Looks a whole lot better. Yeah, if you can see it. That's the whole thing, the shark fin. So we good to go. You already knows it worked. So got updates coming up with the grass. It's nice and green. Also putting the sound system back in the car. I'll give you a preview of the grass because I'm gonna do it. I haven't cut it in 2 weeks for a reason. So there's a preview of the grass. It's nice and green. And then the flower bed is gonna get done. I gotta lay the bricks out, get that done. Nice and green, but that'll all come through this month and we'll get it done. So Abigail, say bye.
Bye.
Say like, comment, and subscribe. Say subscribe.
Bye.
Thank you.
Hey.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm above the rim, ain't worried about them. My shorty exotic, and plus she all in. She told me I got it, so I double the profit. Go cut me a Mazzy, then I squat off the lot. And it ain't gon' stop, still rolling at 5. Spent plenty of nights with tears in my eyes, don't kill my vibe. Yeah, I heard little shorty been switching.